Okay, so we are gonna do the morning test. It's not exactly morning, it's in the afternoon. It's like 4:30. This is in the day with my engine running. It's set to 4K, both on video mode. I'm testing the audio and we'll see how both of these two things work. Framing wise, okay lah, plus minus. So we're gonna see how's the color like, how's the motion blur. I'm gonna let you guys guess which is which. I'm gonna go for a short trip from Bedok to Chai Chi. Feels very weird to have cameras pointing at me. Usually I point the camera forward. Somehow I got two cameras. Let's go! So the place I'm going is at Decathlon, Chai Chi. I usually call it Decathlon Bedok. But it's inside Chai Chi. I don't know whether you guys can hear me or not over the wind noise as well. The engine already set the microphone to wind noise, so it should clear out the wind, then should focus on the voice. The Insta360 Ace Pro and the GoPro Hero 11. So one tip for those of you who are going to Decathlon motorcycle, if you have concession, don't park inside Decathlon area. What you should do is you should park the neighborhood beside it, since you already have concession. So right now we're gonna test a night shoot for both cameras, GoPro Hero 11, and my friend Razmi is on the Ace Pro, but that's on pure video, which is the night mode. GoPro doesn't have any night mode, so we're just gonna rely on this footage. It's on 4K 30 FPS wide. We're gonna go through Orchard Road and then we're gonna go where we're going. Right tonight. So let's hope to get good videos.
Hi everyone. Hi, my name is Rasmi. I'm from Chasing Horizon. I've been invited by our Riders Garage. Thank you for the invite. So we're here tonight to test the Insta360 Ace Pro comparison with the GoPro 11.
Okay, we're gonna swap cameras. Now we are at the famous 99 Benz. Asmi is going to show his skill. How you chase horizons. How's the Insta360 so far?
So far so good. Bulky but
Bulky, yeah.
it's quite light.
Insta better already, yeah.
To me Insta better. This one see then
See how bulky.
damn bulky.
See how bulky this whole shit is.
Ini minta kena pra tak?
Aku nak pra apa? Aku X-Max.
So this is all the friendly bikers. We bikers are friendly. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Okay, let's test the low light for the GoPro Hero. So let's layan the corner. Okay, that's it. That's it.
So we are done for the night shoot. Which one will be your favorite?
Insta 360.
Why?
Yes, bro. Because it's light. Yes.
Video
For-
footage?
Video footage is quite. Both are good, but I think Ace is more quite brighter.
So overall you still,
Yeah.
so we will do a full breakdown, the review, then you all decide lah what to say, right? So that's it for the night shoot. I think in the morning I already covered, and yeah lah, just wait for the edit lah. Wait long lah, not so soon, got so many videos to do. Chasing Horizons, make sure you follow him, buy his baju.
And thank you for the invite of tonight's ride.
Yeah, I forgot to bring my helmet lah, so never really supposed to get POV, but okay lah, what to do, right? It's life. Okay. This is the FOV test, the field of view. GoPro is known for having the hyper view, much acclaim, and I like it is because get to see the handlebars, whichever format. It was only a few GoPros ago that they managed to get hyper view. Before this, you have to really tilt the angle of your camera down. It's testing the FOV and also the mic. There shouldn't be anything different from let's say for me to use Ace Pro or the GoPro Hero 11. It's just a test for the sake of that there is no difference. I didn't change anything else in the setting. Both would be shot at 4K 60 FPS at the widest. So for the GoPro will be hyper view and only be shot at 4K 60 FPS. Oh no, we have monkeys. So at the end of this road, if most of you know where this is, then we will be changing to the Ace Pro, which is here. We've reached the end of this building at Cashew, and I'll be making a U-turn and changing up to the Ace Pro, where we will be seeing the difference of the FOV. For sure GoPro will win on this, but let's just see how wide the thing can really go. Okay, we are on the way back from where we came from, and right now it's on the Ace Pro. I took a picture and immediately I knew it was far much smaller. These damn monkeys, far much smaller compared to the GoPro Hero 11. What the fuck are they doing? They're sniffing each other's butts. Oh no. Okay. The Ace Pro suddenly just died on me. What the hell? Point already. In terms of FOV that you can get from the Ace Pro, there is only 3: Warp, Ultra and Action. So Action is the widest, so you don't get as much. Okay, better not die on me. Don't know why suddenly it just died on me like twice, and each clip was about 30 seconds. So I gotta check out what's the setting on that. I don't think I set to like 30-second timer where the video will just stop. As you can see from just now, it was so easy to just clip it off from the standard mount, and I will need to get a quick release mount because I already have the cold shoe just in case I want to do vlogging, and I can set up a camera at the side and set it up onto a selfie stick. So that's pretty nifty, and that's the end of the FOV video comparison. Okay, this will be the third try for the GoPro. First one, both overheated because I put at the bed. My mistake. Second, I put together with the Ace Pro at the window and it's still overheated. The Ace Pro managed to finish the battery, it didn't overheat. Now I will do the full video with the full battery in an aircon room, so we'll see whether it overheats or not. This is it, GoPro. This is your last chance. This is first, second, third. This will be your fourth chance really. I'm gonna put you inside the fridge, and then you better make full use of the battery and not overheat. Okay? See you in the morning. I have to drink water first. 64%. Only to be fair to the Ace Pro, we'll be recording full battery with the Ace Pro as well. See how long it will take. Bye. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow, comment, share. See you. Bye.
Bye.